Boom! Feast your eyes on the lasagna that dreams are made of. Hungry yet? And here we go. Just beef, because we're keeping it classic. But trust me, what comes next is anything but ordinary. Chopping onions? Sure, it's basic, but the secret coming up is anything but. Stick with me, stick with us, this is where it gets exciting. Garlic. The unsung hero of every great dish, but trust me, what's coming next? It's going to steal the show. Fresh herbs? They're the final touch of class. But don't get too comfortable. There's one last twist that's going to blow your taste. And now it all comes together. Meat meets sauce in the ultimate flavour showdown. But we're not done yet. There's secrets still to come. A sprinkle of spice to heat things up. Trust me, this lasagna is anything but mild. And here come the onions, ready to take a flavour bath in all that goodness. Because one batch of lasagna isn't enough, let's double down on flavour. We're going big or we're going home with this one. More meat, more flavour. This pot is about to make lasagna history, and trust me, the best is yet to come. Because when it comes to lasagna, there's no such thing as too much beef. Toss it in the pan with flair, and a handful of fresh herbs to seal the deal. This pot, it's a flavour bomb waiting to go off. Time for the tomato takeover. First, a whole jar of sauce to get things juicy, tomato paste for that rich, deep flavour, because we're not messing around here, and cherry tomatoes for a little pop of sweetness, and crushed tomatoes to bring it all home. This is tomato heaven, people. This is one of the secrets of doing a really good lasagna. Now give it a good mix. Don't just stand there looking at it, admiring its beauty. Give it a mix. Around and around and around. Put a splash of water in there if you want to get things a little bit juicier. Sometimes things dry out. And that was a bay leaf. And that's a time lapse of the liquids coming to the surface as I keep this thing nice and hot. Simmer it for hours. And stirring like I'm casting a delicious spell. Abracadabra. Let's turn this pot into pure lasagna magic. You thought I was making lasagna, but I'm actually crafting edible art. Gotta remove those sharp corners, because perfection isn't just a goal, it's an obsession. It's a lifestyle, Brian. And as you can see, it fits perfectly into the corner. Just a little more stirring, because this sauce, well, it's already legendary. Brace yourself for lasagna greatness. Coming up soon, I appear to have lost some footage. And there it is, the masterpiece. Layers of love, cheese and sauce. Ready to steal the show at dinner. And this was an amazingly good lasagna. This is a hugely popular recipe with my family. I do apologise for losing the footage. I think I might have to make this again, especially now as the autumn has arrived. Don't miss my other autumnal dishes. Alright, this is me trying to be like precise and cutting it out. If you enjoyed this lasagna bolognese recipe, be sure to check out my twist on lasagna soup and how to make a simple one-pot lasagna. Drop a comment below if you've tried the 100-layer lasagna and you want to know the secret to my bechamel sauce for lasagna. I'll stop talking. I'll let you enjoy the precision. Side piece or this piece? Say when.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
No, you know what? That's good actually.
Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Huh? Thank you, Barchi. Enjoy.